Wildcards are a feature that makes applying a filter to your list really flexible. They are special characters that can be used to represent a character or line of text. You can use them in the value field to help filter your lists. There are 3 of these available: an asterisk, a question mark and a dollar, and it's the asterisk that we're going to demonstrate in this video. In the filter option, the asterisk represents any number of characters including spaces. So we're going to run through a couple of examples just to show you how this works, maybe give you some ideas as to how you could use it as well. So what we'll do is we're going to base it on customers. We'll pop into filter and we just need to complete the filter line. So in the join column, set it to where. The field. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to base it on the postcode. So I want to find all customers that are based in a specific area. Now the easiest way to do this is from the drop down we want to choose registered address line 5, which is normally where you'll find the postcode recorded, assuming you've entered it in that field. So registered address line 5, we'll choose is equal to, and then in the condition we'll do NE followed by an asterisk. So what we're going to end up with are all of the customers whose postcode begins NE. All of the other customers will be hidden for the list. What we can then do is print our lists, print our reports, statements, letters, whatever we want to print at that point, but that should filter that list. So once we've set that, we click apply, we can then click close, and then as you can see at the top it says 7 of 30 customers have satisfied that filter. If we just pop into a couple of them, you can see there begins NE31, this one, so it's got NE at the beginning. Let's just choose another one, and again there it is. Now we can switch that on and off at any point, so something like this would be useful maybe if you're going to visit your customers in a certain area, or we can even do it by telephone number. So let's change it slightly. So we'll do where maybe telephone number this time. There it is, telephone number is equal to, we'll just put in the code maybe, 0191 followed by an asterisk. So any number of characters after that 0191. So click apply, click close, and this time we've got 8 out of 30. And as you can see down the telephone number column, they all begin 0191. Do remember you can switch your filter on and off at any point. We could leave that set up, but we could just switch the filter off if we wanted to, and then we're back to the full list. It says all records. Also, if you're on a multi-user system, this is only going to apply to your list, so you can filter your list and not impact on anyone else.